Look at these videos. Over 8 billion views, 7.4 billion views, 4.7 billion views. These are not just viral moments. This is a system. The biggest kids channels in the world have cracked something most people completely overlook. This channel has pulled in hundreds of billions of views and generates millions of dollars consistently. Then you have Choo Choo TV, with tens of millions of subscribers from simple nursery rhyme videos. So the real question is, how are they doing this at scale? And how can you replicate it without animation skills, a big team, or expensive software? In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to create these viral nursery rhyme videos using completely free AI tools. But first, take a look at this video I created using AI.
Little cloud up in the sky rubbed its eyes and gave a sigh. Time for sleep, it softly said, but I can't find my cozy bed. Drift, drift, floating slow, where it stops it doesn't know. Over swings and children's play, giggles chase its sleep away.
That entire nursery rhyme you just watched, every single part of it, from the animation to the music, the characters, the scenes, everything was created using free AI tools. No animation background, no music production skills, no expensive software. Just a simple system that anyone can follow once you understand how it works. And right now, I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can start doing this yourself. First, head over to ChatGPT and paste in this prompt. Give me 10 unique nursery rhyme ideas for kids. Within a few seconds, it will generate a list of viral nursery rhyme ideas designed to capture attention and keep kids engaged. These are not random ideas. They are structured concepts built around patterns that already work on YouTube. Go through the list carefully and pick the one that instantly feels catchy, simple, and fun. Once you've selected your idea, move on to the next step. Write this second prompt and insert your chosen topic into it. Hit enter, and now you'll have a fully developed nursery rhyme in front of you. I'm talking about proper rhythm, structured verses, smooth flow, something that actually sounds like a real song kids would enjoy. Take your time to read through it, and once you're satisfied, copy the entire rhyme. Now, switch over to Google Gemini and sign up for free if you do not have an account yet. Then select the Create Music option. Paste your nursery rhyme directly into the input field and generate. In just moments, Gemini transforms your text into a complete musical piece. You get vocals, rhythm, melody, everything working together. Once it finishes, download the audio file. Just like that, your soundtrack is ready, and you didn't have to touch any complicated music software. Next, go back to ChatGPT again, and this time ask it to generate detailed animation prompts for each scene in your rhyme. What you'll get is a clean, well-structured breakdown of your entire video, scene by scene, with clear descriptions that are ready to be used immediately. Copy the prompt for scene 1 and head over to Google Flow. Start a new project. Paste the prompt, adjust your settings by ensuring you are using VO 3.1 fast, and your aspect ratio is 16:9. Then hit Generate. Within a short time, Flow will produce a colorful, animated video clip that matches your scene perfectly. Let's preview it. Perfect. Download it. Now, repeat the exact same process. Scene 2, Scene 3, Scene 4, all the way until every part of your nursery rhyme has been turned into a video clip, and download them accordingly. Once all your clips are ready, open any video editor you're comfortable with. I am using CapCut. Import all the generated clips and arrange them in the correct order. Slightly scale up each clip to remove any watermark if necessary. Then, bring in the music you generated with Gemini and align it properly with the visuals. You can also add simple transitions or fun effects to make the video more engaging for kids. Export your final video, and just like that, your nursery rhyme is ready to be uploaded. Everything you've seen here was done using completely free tools. No hidden costs, no shortcuts, just a repeatable system. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tutorials like this, and drop a like so more people can discover this.